Hey guys, this is the review of Goflycam mojo body camera. Open the box, we can see the user manual first. The user manual looks very detailed. This is Mojo. It feels great and looks beautiful. Clip can be rotated 360 degrees. Let's try the buttons of Mojo. This is the docking base. It can charge Mojo and transfer data via USB cable. Looks great. Let's see what will be found in second layer. In the second layer, there is a magnetic mount for wearing a camera. Magnetic attraction is very strong. USB cable, power adapter, double-sided sticker. Let's take a look at the Mojo body camera. There is a power button and LED button on the top of the camera. On the side of the camera, you can see the video mark button, the audio recording button, the capture button, and the video recording button. There is a 2-inch LCD on the back of the camera and clip mounting slot. Play button, OK button, menu button is at the button. The bottom of the camera is USB pogo pin. The front of the camera is the lens. These two are lighting LEDs. There are 6 IR LEDs on both sides of the lens. There are also 2 microphones. There are 2 multicolor LEDs on the top of the camera. They are function LED and charging LED. Let's take a look at the function of Mojo's docking base. This is 5-volt, 1.2 ampere power adapter. Plug the USB cable into the docking base. The camera will automatically turn on. The right is the charging LED and the left is the operating LED. The camera will automatically shut down when the USB cable is unplugged. We can see the double-sided sticker to fix the docking base to your desk or to the car's dash panel. We take off the docking base. See, the double-sided sticker will not dirty your desk. Let's try how to install the clip. It is very simple. Just push clip into clip track. The alligator clip can be rotated 360 degrees. Let's take a look at the magnetic mount. The magnetic attraction is very strong, with canvas on one side and PU on the other. Next, let's try how the magnetic clip works. Okay, let's insert the camera into the magnetic clip. Very simple. Let's use a book to test if it is worn firmly. Let's take a look at the thickness of the book, about 8 mm. Wow, very good. Let us wear it and see if it is strong enough. See? Seems very reliable. Okay, let's have a drop test. We will drop the camera from the height of 1.5 meters, and guess what happened to the camera? Fall to pieces? I can't imagine it. Let's drop it again. See? Very rugged and still in good condition. Oh my god, the camera looks great and still in good condition. Okay, let's take a look at the camera's waterproof test. Let's talk back about the use of camera. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. You will see the LED flashing and the green LED is fixed after power on. Mojo has a pre-recording mode. In case of emergency, just press the mark button for 3 seconds to switch to pre-recording mode. No need to change a menu setting. You will find the function LED will be common to solid red in pre-recording mode, and the LCD will add a small red dot. Mojo supports to save the video up to 30 seconds prior to turn on the video recording. Let's switch back to normal mode. Short press the audio recording button to start audio recording. When you're starting audio recording, the operating LED turns yellow and flashes. In preview mode, long press the audio recording button for 3 seconds to switch between the resolution of 1080 pixel and 720 pixel quickly. Very user-friendly. Short press the capture button to take a photo. Press and hold the capture button for 3 seconds to turn on the SOS mode. The white light will flash. Just short press the video recording button to start and stop the video recording. LED button is here. Short press to turn the infrared LED on and off. Long press to turn the white light on and off. Short press the M button to enter menu settings. Short press the play button. You can quickly play back the video. In the menu mode and playback mode, the power button is exit function button. Mojo supports up to 1140 pixel resolution. 32GB memory of Mojo can record up to 16 hours at 1080 pixel resolution under H.265 video coding format. 3100 ampere-hour battery lets you record the video up to 12 hours at 1080 pixel resolution. Let us introduce the configuration tool. The configuration tool can be used only if the camera's password is enabled. After entering the password, let us click Login. Config tool will switch to the settings interface. Click on Set. We can synchronize the time of Mojo with your PC, and we can modify the ID of the Mojo. Password can be changed here. The new password cannot be the same as the old password. Let's click on Other settings. We can set the video coding format here. We can set the resolution of the camera. Let's go back to the previous interface. Let's switch the camera to U-Disk mode. Just click Enter U-Disk. Then you will find the Mojo disk. You can copy, delete, and play files. If you turn on GPS when you record a video with a GPS player, you can view the video's map track while playing the video. GPS player supports multiple languages. This arrow is to view the playlist.